Who's actually left? Okay, good morning. Hello. Today we are working on voiceovers. Very excited to do this. I'm gonna be working on voiceovers, which means first and foremost I have to record a voiceover for all of these lines for the sake of this test. And if I sit here and stretch my back a bunch, I'm sorry. I slept on it weird. My back, behind my shoulder blade feels terrible. So if I do that, that's why. I'm gonna whip out Audacity again. Okay. Let's just move this over a little bit. Okay. We are going to take this so unseriously, it's going to be ridiculous. We're Big Boss Man Mario, you know? That's how I imagine he talks. Again, we're not going to take this too seriously. We're not going to worry too much about perfect voicing and cadence and all that stuff. This is just a test. It's not that deep. So I'm just going to go through and do all these voice lines and go from there. I just realized that all of these lines should have, they're supposed to have a I'm gonna close. This dialogue ID is 1. Well, it will make it 0, I guess. They only need to have an ID for the voiceover. So we'll put it right into the text. This will be voiceover ID. This one will be 01. Well, actually, really, it'll be this underscore. It needs to be a string, actually. This underscore whatever. Yeah, and then this one will be 2. This one will be 3. This one will be 4. We'll go from here. Okay. Let's just record some voiceovers. Okay. Big Boss Man Mario. Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from? And just like that. I'm gonna trim it up real tight. Trim it up real tight. Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like... Hi, this is some... That right there is a huge gap for no reason. Maybe trim this up too. Just keep it real nice and tight. Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from? Beautiful. Beautiful. Gonna export this one. Is it just export audio? Oh, It is. So this is going to be dialogue 0. I guess I'll give you 0-1. Well, we'll do _1. That's the ID of this one. That's it. Okay, next. This one here. This is Aaron speaking. Oh, I'm from the capital, Erkenstedt. Trim that up nice and tight. Erkenstedt. Oh, I'm from the capital, Erkenstedt. Just like that. Same place, except this one is going to be 0_2. I'm enrolled at the College of Erkenstedt. I'm enrolled at the College of Erkenstedt. That's 0-3. Then 0-4. There will in fact be no sound for this one. So this can just be blank. Good morning. The college! I know. Man, if I had you available, I would have just had you recorded these. But again, these are just test examples. It's not that big a deal. Okay, let's record these next ones. These are all going to be the responses to number 2. And we're going to kind of follow this same pattern here. So this is going to be voiceover, dialogue 0, tree 2, answer 1. We're just going to continue this all the way through all these. Da-da. 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 Oh. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm thinking, do I even actually need to do this way, or can these just be more numbers? They could actually just be more numbers, to be honest. There's not really a reason they have to relate back to where they're from. So really this should be what we did. We just did number 4. Right. Well, this one doesn't actually have an idea. So we need number 4 up here. This will be 4. This will be I think I was confused because these are not indented. More. There we go. That's better. Yeah, this will be 5, 6, 7, 8. These are also supposed to be 0 dash. I'm stupid. Okay, so let's record this. I am excited for tonight. We're doing D&D. We're starting up D&D again. So, yes, I am very excited for tonight. Also, I know this looks like I'm drinking a light beer this morning. I promise I'm not. It is ginger ale. Yeah, it is in fact session 0, of course, so we're really just talking about getting everyone set up, expectations, that kind of thing. Yes, Gallivant will be back. Okay. Gallivant is a very, what's the word? The word rambunctious is in my mind, but that's not it. I don't want to say obnoxious. While that is true, that's not what I'm trying to say. Flamboyant, that's it. Flamboyant bard. Which that part may be standard for a bard, but other parts of him are not. But I'll save that for the D&D game. Yeah, he is a lot. He'll be better now. I believe it. Okay, now I need to record this line here. Oh wow, the capital, huh? Which district? I feel like this Mario is going to devolve into... Well, I was going to say devolve into just Brooklyn, but I guess he is supposed to be from Brooklyn. So, maybe it's fine. Oh wow, the capital, huh? Which district? Alright, let's just export that. What a silly thing I'm doing. Let's see, 4. 5. I love those fields, eh? Oh, I just turned the recording volume down super low by accident. You have a serious campaign character. Okay, good. Good. I love those fields, ah. I love those fields, ah. That sounds terrible. Nah, we're going with it. Don't matter. I love those fields, ah. What? I feel like it's louder than it was now. Let's bring the recording level down to like that. It doesn't matter. I'm still exporting it. Well, here, let's bring the game down just a bit. Export this. This one is number 5. That's good. Good. Ah, nice river, eh? Wait, I got the line wrong. Nice river, eh? Nice river, eh? Actually, can I turn this back out a little bit? I feel like it. Sure can. Nice river, eh? I think it's a little low. That was 6. Oh goodness. Yeah, 6. Are you driving right now? Well, you're gonna be doing a lot of voice acting, so I'll be prepared for that. Trade district, huh? Lots of hustle and bustle, I guess. Trade district, huh? Lots of hustle and bustle, I guess. Ah, talk to text. Good, nice and safe. Oh, nice. I have a cousin who lives out there. Oh, nice. I have a cousin who lives out there. Wow, I see. Wow, I see.
All right, then, keep your secrets.
Good. Could have sworn I had a over here. No. Dang it, I thought I had a. Okay, fine. Don't mind me. No.
All right, then, keep your secrets.
Good.
All right, then, keep your secrets.
Okay. Great. Now we have all the audio recorded for this, anyways. Okay. Now we have to actually, play the audio. So, first of all, I need to remember what function actually plays audio. I'm pretty sure if I go to a combatant, combat. This should... No. Just kidding. Oh, no, that should be it, right? Huh. Can I see this? Is it here? Oh, here we go. Audio play sound. Just borrow that real quick. Okay. Great. So. Okay, I need to figure out how to make sure that this only plays the sound a single time. I made a variable that says sound let's say voiceover. Voiceover. I can't type. Voiceover is playing equals false. Great. I want... Well, really, as soon as we start typing. Okay. So I need to somewhere I need to turn on the voice. Really, I just need to have it turned on. I seem healthier than usual. You mean because I've been sick? I hope you mean because I've been sick. Otherwise, that's a weird dig. I feel pretty good. Grace is still freaking dying. But I'm the one who gets to be off work, so I guess I get to rest better than she does. Okay. So I need to turn on the voiceover at a point. That point, I guess, could be really just needs to get turned on as soon as I have it, I guess. So the dialogue blurb dot. Ow. It's voiceover ID. Voiceover ID. Yeah, he meant it as a compliment. Okay, I assumed so. I'm glad that is the case, though. Voiceover file. Oh, voiceover equals I have a silence asset actually already here somewhere. So you're going to get an asset by the name, right? Asset get index. So asset get index. The name of the game has to get the index of. I want to asset get index. I guess it would be sounds dialogue and then the actual ID. So I want to create a group in here. Dialogue, audio. And this we need to make another group. Dialogue 0. And in that we actually add stuff. Can I just import a whole bunch of stuff at once, actually? That'd be awesome. It's a shame. Hello. Are you back from vacation? What's my cathode file? Did not say. It does not. That's kind of annoying. Hi, this is some example dialogue. Okay, that's good. There's the girls are all on the beach doing yoga, so I'm chilling making breakfast. Nice, what kind of breakfast? Eggs and bacon, classic. Good protein. Hey, look. Look here. It's the guy on my shirt. Yes. Okay, well, this isn't unanswered, so. Asset browser. You get asset browser, you can shift control signals for sounds not holding them out. Okay, I think the answer is no. Which, to be honest, is annoying. I don't know how to copy this. Duplicate this. Oh, this is exactly correct. Okay, great. Oh. Oh, the control D. I didn't realize it was the keybind for it. Okay, that's stupid. Okay, I think I'm only at 10. Also, can you from energy kind of pop on now? I assumed so, dude. Okay, this is really funny. I was talking with some people, including Devin, and this is about Magic the Gathering. So if you don't know Magic the Gathering, this might be boring for a second. We were talking about it, and he was like, "Okay, what format is the home for energy?" Because I feel like it wants to be Pioneer is where the home for energy wants to be, but they just released all the new energy stuff in a set that skipped Pioneer. So what's going on here? Like, and I'm like, Commander, and he was like, Commander, and I'm like, okay, let's pause. You just asked where the home format for a super niche, very like focused playstyle deck or a mechanic and a deck to play it could possibly exist. And then I told you Commander and you scoffed. He was like, oh, you're right. That doesn't make any sense. And I'm like, where else could you possibly... Like, maybe it'll be a broken modern deck? I don't know. But, like, what are you talking about? It was very silly. Okay. So dialogue 10. Okay, this is just going to be a little bit annoying for a moment. Hello? What? Okay, that was... Oh wait, is it? This is annoying. I would... What did I just do? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I need to ping someone on Discord because people don't know what they're doing. Okay, yeah, I know. Killing with Boros Boom Bust energy. Yo, Boom Bust is a cool deck. I don't play Modern, and if I did, it would probably be a blue deck. But if it wasn't, Boom Bust is probably what I'd play. I think that deck is so cool. Maybe I'm just a menace who likes to kill people's lands. I guess that's possible. Am I the baddie? Are you guys ready for this to work on the first try, by the way? We're not there quite yet. We got some more stuff to do. But if this just automatically works first try, I'm going to be so happy. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Get rid of all this. Okay, so we have our voiceover. That should sound dialogue. Okay. That's our voiceover asset. And then all we have to do is say... Actually, can we stop a sound from being played? Oh. There's a function for this. That's good. Okay, so we're going to say if hold on, wait a minute. We want play voiceover. So if play voiceover, then most loving way, you're absolutely a menace. I'm a menace? I mean, okay, but like, how many times have you cast a White Plume Adventurer on turn 1 or 2 against me? I'm saying I don't really know if that's fair to say that I'm the menace when you're the one who does that kind of stuff. I don't know. Your deck didn't even get pointed recently, so this is ridiculous. Okay. So, if play voiceover, then we are going to... Do we even need to actually extend it? What is the base? Play sound at. And next of the sound to play, of course, is going to be the voiceover. Priority. What the heck is priority? Set the channel priority for the sound. I don't know what that means. 0? 1? Let's say 1. I'm sure that works. Loops. Is that a boolean? Set the sound to loop or not. Don't know why caps lock is on. Oh, I am also a menace, and I wear that with pride. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like your deck was the one I needed to get hit the hardest. To be fair, I thought you were on Ancient Tomb, so I guess that's part of it. Okay, false, and then gain, offset, pitch, listener. Okay, none of that stuff. I don't care about any of that stuff. And then we need to set play voiceover to false. And then all we have to do is, when we move on to the next thing, we reset all this stuff. Yeah, when we reset everything, we set play voiceover true. Okay. Do you guys think this works first try? I'm thinking probably not. And I'm also going to put a quick pause on this because this audio is annoying. It's the boy. Who, me or Matt or Tucker? Yeah, priority, I'm assuming means if there are multiple sounds playing, which one gets played louder? I don't know. Oh, I forgot to do the audio stop sound. Well, we'll add that in a minute. We'll add that in a minute. Priority. Set the. I need more than that. What does that mean? Priority. The higher the number, the higher the priority. So sound with priority 100 will be favored over sound 1. Okay, let me. Provide a sound as a sound of priority, which then uses to determine how sounds are dealt when the number of sounds are playing is over the limit set by the function. Okay, so if there are a set number of sounds you're allowed to play and multiple things are trying to play sounds, the priority determines what gets to actually make the sound. I doubt we're going to overflow. There'll probably be background music in the voiceover. And maybe some environmental sound effects, I imagine. Okay. First try. Come on, voiceovers. Let's cue the music. First try. Come on. I don't hear anything. So
I'm enrolled at the College of Erkenstead.
Okay, that one worked.
Oh, I see.
Okay, so why did the first one not work? Because I know exactly why the first one didn't work. I'm stupid. Alright. You don't need any of that. I know exactly why, because this is set to false. Okay, let's run that back. Thank you.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from the capital, Erkenstead. Oh wow, the capital, huh? Which district? I love those fields, huh?
Okay, so one thing first off, so proud of myself. Second off, I am noticing one thing, which is that it is... Okay, let me show you. I'm also going to plug in this controller instead of using the keyboard for this. I'm saying that it's considered a first try because all you did was forget the... Yeah, I do that a lot. So pay attention to the sprites moving their mouths while they're talking. You'll note they'll stop moving their mouths, here forward referred to as yapping, when the text finishes printing, but if there's the voiceover still going, they might still stop.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from the capital, Erkenstead. Oh wow, the capital, huh? Which district? Oh nice, I have a cousin who lives out there.
So that's well and good, but I feel like we're better off to have the animation stopping. I feel like that should actually be tied to the voiceover, whether the voiceover is done or not. And then we also have to make sure that the voiceover stops if we skip through the text, because we don't want it to just like have a bunch of dialogues going at the same time. Okay, so I want to say, is there audio is playing? Oh wow, is playing. Hey, there is an audio is playing function. This function will check if a given sound is see if it's currently playing. Great. Super easy. Okay. So voiceover is playing equals false. So where are we? I forget where we're actually checking to see if voiceover or if see if focus printed. Oh no. Yes. So this needs to not be there, and that needs to be in a separate if statement. So oops. So if voiceover is playing, we're going to increment that by 1, and then somewhere I check for the stop yapping delay. Is that in here actually? It's probably in here. I actually don't need an variable for this. That's stupid. I don't need a voiceover for this. Or I'm sorry, I don't need a variable for this. So we want sound. Oh, what's audio? Audio is playing. Oh, what's it? We don't actually need this variable. Okay, now, what should happen if I had to print the text of the word just said, that is so much harder. We don't, like, syncing that up is like, that's way out of scope. Okay, so now, if I press A while they're talking, I'll skip into the dialogue and it should the voice should keep going until, like, the yapping should keep going until it actually hits the very end of the text.
Hi, this is some example dialogue.
It didn't.
Isn't that neat?
Oh,
Hey,
I know why
you
it didn't.
Look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
I know why it didn't. Because there's also, because I also have wait, actually I don't know where that is. I'm taking input somewhere else here. Why did that work? Or I guess rather, why did it not work? So that's it. I've confused myself. What I need is, I guess maybe I just, oh, maybe this needs to not be there. No, that can't be right. Okay, hold on. Let me just try it without actually skipping through the text and just seeing if it keeps yapping while they talk, while the audio is playing.
Hi, this is some example dialogue.
No.
Isn't that neat?
It
Anyways,
did
you
not.
look like you're from around here.
Oh, I'm high. This needs to say if not audio is playing. I'm so dumb. It's so I had it so there was a slight delay at the end of the text. Yes, actually, this can just not even be here. This can be over here. I had it so before there was a slight delay at the end of the text, but now if we're adding the voiceover, we actually don't even need that. Okay. Let's try this now. Now that's much simpler, and it should just say, if there's a voiceover going, if a sound be playing, the mouth be saying.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Ah, see, look. Perfect. Easy.
I'm enrolled at the College of Erkenstead.
Okay.
Oh, I see.
Beautiful. It's beautiful.
Hi, this is some example
So we can
dialogue.
also do-
Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Man, I don't think you were here when I put this in, but look what happens when I say nothing. Oh. Never mind. Hold on, I broke it. Okay, hold on, wait, I can fix this. Okay, I fixed it.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
It's, okay, now this time, we'll see what it does. Son of a... Why did that not work? Oh, I know why that didn't work. Okay, if this doesn't work, actually, hold on. That definitely won't work. I have to unfix it again. Okay. This is my least favorite thing when I'm trying to show someone something and it stops working.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Oh, also, depending, you might not have seen this, guys. If you have a controller plugged in, it does this little like press a green button animation to tell you to keep going. And if you don't have a controller plugged in, it does an enter key, which looks like crap. I like the way the button looks though. Anyways, okay.
Alright then, keep your secrets.
It's the Lord of the Rings line. Get it? Because he didn't say anything. That's all. That's the whole joke. This one I do need to change. Ooh. Yes. That lasts way too long. Open editor. Let's really quick. I just want to. this time. I mean, it's just a new field test, right? Now this just needs to. I only did that because if you notice, even when Aaron was not saying anything, his mouth was moving because there was like silence playing, and I thought it was super short amount of time.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that
I'm from
neat?
the capital.
Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
My volume is really low. It might just be that I'm sitting far away from you. Wait, no, my volume is really low. What the heck? No, I break it. Hello? Is that better? I think I broke it with Audacity, my bad. Which I'm closing anyways. So, better? It looks better. I think it's better.
Oh wow, the capital.
I love those fields,
district.
Okay, I haven't yet put in the thing yet. I see a bit too loud, but yes, okay. I'll just move the microphone away from my face then and bring it down just a tad. Like that. Looks a little better. Okay, let's.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Yapped a little bit still, unfortunately. Might need dialogue stuff. Yeah, that's the next step. Don't worry.
All right, then. Keep your secrets.
Okay. This is still too long, I guess. I don't even know. Is that what you're trying to tell me, bud? Oh wait, I need to open this on Audacity. Thank you very much. Okay, guess we're opening Audacity the hard way. Hello. Audacity, why aren't you responding? Audacity, notoriously perfect industry standard levels of software. I mean, it's actually pretty good, and it's free, but it is doing this right now. So that's annoying. I don't know why it's doing this. Guess we'll close the program. Alright, this is far too long. Gotta shorten that up. We said 1 millisecond, right? I'm pretty sure we're about to be a 1/10 of a millisecond. Alright, surely this is small enough, right? Alright, run it back.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Dang it.
All
Okay.
right, then. Keep your secrets.
I have a better idea. You ready for this better idea? Watch this. This is actually just a better idea by far. If I can. Okay, so all we need to do, very easy. You ready for this? So we have the yapping. We have the animation frame, right? The animation frame is getting stepped somewhere. Here, this is stepping the animation frame. Now, so we say if there's no audio playing, or the audio that is playing is the silence. Okay, now we actually should change the name of this. So yeah, if there's no audio playing, or the audio that is playing is the silence, We don't animate. Boom. Clean code. We do need to change this to say silence though. Maybe let's just say none. None. That's probably better. If I even want to try to copy this. What are you doing, bud? Actually, let's do this. Okay. Now if on the actual text JSON file, if it says nothing, or if it is blank, if it says none, if it says nothing, if it says silence, it'll pull up the silence one. And then this, leave it as silence. So if this says none, it should work. If it says nothing, it should work. If it's whatever, it'll set the set that to silence. So that's good. And then the voiceover assets. Okay, so that should work. Theoretically, in theory, unless I messed up syntax, which I probably did, Aaron should not yap at all on the silence one.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Beautiful. Just beautiful.
Alright then, keep your secrets.
I love when things just work. I also seem to be printing something. I don't know why. I don't know where I'm printing it from. Where am I printing? Oh, here it is. Don't need that. Oh, no. Okay. What's next? What's next? Oh, kill the audio. So, how is the best way to kill the audio? Okay, pretty straightforward actually. We can even put that right under here. We'll say if hold on, actually. How do we find... I just want to know a list of all the audio functions. Audio exists. This is something that's currently playing. It's an asset. I don't want the asset. I want to know the audios that are currently playing. Audio plays on without pause sound post. Alright, have fun at the beach. See you around. So, I'm a little confused. I really figured that there would be a function that could just tell me, like, give me an array of all the sounds that are currently playing. Oh, is that just an instance, actually? Oh, that would be an instance. Okay. Instance find. If instance exists, this looks rude. Oh, no, that's not it. New array contains. Oh, I'm overthinking this. Can I do... Oh, no, I'm not overthinking this. I thought I could... That was stupid. I thought I could maybe, like, do some hierarchy stuff. Solve this problem. That appears not to be the case, though. Excuse me. No, there's more. We're good. So, what I need is to be able to find out if there's currently another dialogue sound playing. And if so, I want to kill it. So I need to Okay, I guess we could just store the last. Like, let's just do this a different way. Just store the last voiceover. I don't want last, I want previous. Let's change this to dialogue. Silence though. Okay. So if audio is playing previous voiceover, then we just want to do audio stop sound. This previous voiceover. Does that work? I think. And then all we have to do is appropriately set the new thing. So previous voiceover equals voiceover. All right, let's give it a test.
Hi, this is some example time. Oh, I'm from the capital. Oh wow, the cap. I love those fields, ah.
I truly did not think that was going to work on the first try. I thought I missed something, but I guess I'm just too good of a programmer. Too good. Too good! Okay, well. That's pretty much voiceovers, friends. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything else to do except yawn directly into your guys' ears. Let's work on this multi-page dialogue functionality. Voiceover is done. It's done and it's beautiful. Works great. Oh, critical hits or multi-page. Okay, multi-page dialogue functionality. So there's a little bit of clunkiness with doing multi-page dialogue. And to clarify what I mean by multi-page dialogue, I just mean like if we have this dialogue block here, right? I'll get my font up pretty big for the sake of this. So I'm typing, you know, okay, this is actually still too small for trying to illustrate this here. Okay, I'm typing a bunch And all this text is going blah 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 blah. And boom, we've gone past the edge of the dialog box. Well, we don't want that, right? So what I wanted to do is I wanted to like stop like here and pause and then tell you to press the A button to continue to the next page of the dialogue. That in and of itself, I think I'm not too worried about. I'm pretty sure that'll be easy enough to implement. What I'm not confident about yet, anyways, is how that will work with voiceovers. You know? And that's what I'm trying to think about. It could be. Actually, you know what? No, I'm actually pretty confident that the best way to solve this problem is in the actual JSON files. Because we already have functionality that solves all of this if we just make the JSON file, you know, if the text is too long, it adds a second page. That's probably going to work way better, actually. Okay, so never mind. Ignore me. I don't think it's actually something to solve here. I think it's going to add too much clunkiness that we don't actually need. When it is like we would just be trying to break up one string into multiple of these chunks of data. The biggest issue that we would have separate voiceover IDs. And that's just really not what we're trying to do. So, yeah. Really quick test, though, before we continue with anything else. I do want to test that this also works if you have nothing there, and if you write all those other examples I was talking about.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Alright then, keep your secrets.
Okay, beautiful. That should work. What are the other ones that should work with? It should work. Nothing or silence. Well, okay. Knowing these two work, I know these two will also work. Because it's the exact same thing. Okay, great. Yeah, I think that we can move on to something else then. Because I'm pretty sure this is actually a non-issue. Oh boy, let's learn how to load JSON from a file. That's what everyone's so excited about. I should put something else on this docket. I guess we're kind of almost done with the dialogue system then, aren't we? Let's figure out how to load a JSON from a file. This is probably as easy as finding a function, to be honest. I don't think it's going to be difficult at all. JSON. Actually, am I dumb? Do I even need to look this up? What are different types of things we can have here? Can I just store a string somewhere? Opens the text file with the indicator file name for reading only from the unique ID. The file should be stored in variables. It will be used for. Okay, great. Goodness, what's that sound? Okay. File text open read. This will open level.txt from the same directory as the game and store the file ID of the variable file. That makes sense. So I'm going to write a script. All game text. I'm not going to do that. Create a script. Get dialog. Get dialog. We need the ID. We need the dialog ID. We're going to be, what's the word character is it? Okay, that is not an answer. Can't type at all. Am I parsing this JSON anywhere? By the way, this is like a huge chain of these things, and it's like a whole thing. Oh, this isn't even here. This is actually in our freaking combatant. They have this built in for some reason. Where's it, Aaron? It's actually Overworld Aaron has this, I think. Blah, 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 blah. Text tests. So we need the JSON dot. We need to parse this JSON is what we need to do, and get dialog. JSON is decode. I don't know the difference between JSON and JSON parse, or JSON decode and JSON parse. I think JSON decode is fine, right? This would be file. Oh. Oh, this returns a string. Dang it. File. Rename text close, text open, text read string. This function can read a string from a file, and the function returns that value to be short. You have missed some beauty. Are you ready for the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life? Check it out. We have voiceovers.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
We got yapping Mario until the voice stops.
I'm enrolled at the College of Erkenstead.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, I see.
Ah? It's pretty good, right? And then, and I know, and then we also have...
This is some example dialogue.
Hold on.
Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
If you press this, it'll if you respond with silence, you'll see Aaron will not yap anything.
All right, then keep your secrets.
So basically, we have functioning a pretty dang functional dialogue system, I would say. And as you can see right now, we are working on loading data from a JSON file. This just needs to go here. Oh yeah, branching dialogue. That's kind of a requirement. Thank you, Boskins, for the follow. But yeah, that kind of a staple of the RPG genre, don't you think? Okay. So all the data for the dialogue is stored in a big JSON file like this, and actually, this is relevant for you to know. I'm working on a Python script that will take a spreadsheet and turn it into that dialogue JSON. So you'll be able to just like take your dialogue and write it all down here. So each line of dialogue, you'll put in the display text, which is how it appears if it's an option. So if you look at the example we just had, yeah, yes, it pulls from the file. So it'll work with whatever we put in that file. It'll just work. So for example, let's see. So this is just a file. This is just text. Sorry, that's the green's commented out. This is that text, just as it is. Nothing special about it. So we could, for example, let's say. So you saw. Here, I'll just show you.
Hi, this is some example.
So these are my options here, right?
Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
I'm gonna mute this so you can't hear it anymore, so I can talk over it. Oh crap! What I did? What? What? Alright, I have no idea what just happened. I think we found a bug, which I'll have to fix later. So we have these options, of course, and this one, of course, is silence. Like I said, ... Okay. So we have a couple things. So the option display here, this is what it's actually displaying as the option. And then this is the actual text that it actually prints. Right? So like, I could just put down, say nothing. And then just run it like that. And look, now that's there. So this could be whatever. So like now the system works with whatever text we give it. I could change Big Boss Man Mario's name to say, it could just say Mario. And it'll write the name differently. It'll adjust the nameplate, so it's like you saw. It was like this whole big white bar that said Big Boss Man Mario, right? It's not. It's just going to be small and say Mario now. Oh, okay. Let me just really quick. So there it just says Mario, right? It does have a minimum width, so it doesn't like have the sprite sticking out from under it. But so yeah, like as long as the names of the speakers are here, it can find the data. It can find the sprite that it needs to use for the character. It has this speed on how fast they actually yap. So like big boss man Mario, he was yapping at this speed, but I could make a regular Mario yap like way faster if I wanted to, right? So look how fast Mario is going to be yapping here. See, looking like a chipmunk. Thank you for getting that. So yeah, all this stuff is configurable, and it'll make it very easy to, in the future, when we're adding tons and tons of dialogue into the game, we don't have to think too hard about it. We just make sure this is set up properly, which will be done automatically as long as you just type it into a spreadsheet. Super easy. It's like this one, I just say there's no display text because this is him talking. You know, here, look, I say, here's some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, I know the frame rate, blah, blah, blah. And then if there are responses to it, you'll put down the row of the responses. That's all. So then my first response is Erkenstead, and here's, you know, all the information about that goes into that one. Second response is the College of Erkenstead, and then the third one is silence. Simple. So it should be pretty easy. And then we'll run it through the Python script, which will turn it into this. And then this is how the game will have the dialogue. I know it looks like a lot, but it allows a lot of customization and how the dialogue needs to work. So yeah. Okay. Back to pulling dialogue. I'm gonna just do a quick test here. I want this whole thing. Do test assets. Okay. So I need to copy this. Put that right there. And see if that works. We're going to have it when we sure, we'll do this right here. I just need it to debug message. Oh, heck. Not that. We want to get, what are we trying to get? We're trying to get the JSON, get dialogue, test JSON. Let us see if that works. What should happen is now, when I go to the silence dialog, it should be spamming a bunch of JSON data down here. That's what should happen. Okay. File. Okay, that's. How did that not work? File is not opened for reading. Do I have to open the file first? Good news is we got this far. It found the right file. So that's good. I don't know what. File open. I don't understand how these file stuff works. What? I don't understand, dude. File. Do I get the name? File. What's the name of the file? I don't. Oh wait, I'm already doing this. I'm done. So does this not work? This function opens the text file with the indicated file name for reading only, returning the unique ID of the file, that which should be stored in the variable that will be further action to the file. Okay, so I open it for reading, and I want to read it, and you're telling me file is not open for reading. What? That doesn't make any sense to me. What's going on here? Doesn't make any sense. Same thing. I should probably turn this music back on. By the way, okay. I don't know why this isn't working. Time to Google the error. So this is going to give this error. The working directory variable will return the path including the final backslash. Okay, I guess we can check the file. Okay, let's try that. Let's see what happens there. Check all the file properties. I don't know if you mean what I'm doing right now.
This is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from?
Yep, I don't think I put the file in the right spot. I think you're right. So where's this supposed to go? Okay, so it's not even here. Where? Yeah, it's putting this file in a completely different place. I want it to be... Okay, what is working directory bring? This shows a path that points where the game's files are stored. In most cases, this is the same as the program directory, which is the path the game is running. However, the game's files happen to be in a different directory than the runner. So you just different direction. One of the game files are not the runner. Okay, so that's my issue. It looks like. As we were testing, you're probably through the IDs, the game files, and runner are different as well. When you use this directory to write out a file, GameMaker will redirect it to the game save ID location and file systems. Program directory. Here's what we do. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna catch this. And yes, they are in fact the same text. Let's try catching work in this. Is it try this? Oh, oops. Okay, so it's going to try the working directory, and if it can't find it there, it's going to try the program directory. The reason we do that, assuming this works the way I think it does, is because when we're testing it through the actual software that we're making the game with, it doesn't actually work. It like freaks out. But because it's like running from a different place, but when we actually like install the game and test it, it'll be from a different place. So we need to check both those places, basically.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look
Still
like
no.
you're from around here. Where are you from?
Okay, so it's not in the program directory either then. Well, I must say I am a little annoyed about this. Yeah, a little bit. So I guess the program directory. I mean, this said that program directory may not actually help you, or this did, yeah. So like, I guess I'm trying to figure out how to find my files then. Like, I would imagine that it should be working. It should be in the working directory. So this is the path that points where the game's files are. In most cases, they're the same as the program directory, which have the game runner. This is not the case. However, if the game's files happen to be a different directory than the runner, say use game change. I don't even know what this is. The function ends the current game launch on the game that's included in the included files. It allows you to have main game from which you can launch other games, so you can keep a different game as well. Okay, okay. It also be different directory testing the question IDE, which is what I'm doing. Is the game's files and the runner on different locations as well. I'm using this directory to write out a file. GameMaker will redirect it to the game save ID. Read-only variable points the area of local storage reserved for your game on the target device. Okay. Huh. Using the charger. Okay, yeah, so okay, we're just gonna test something here. Here's what we're gonna do. Ready? Well, no, that doesn't make any sense actually. I'm stupid. So yeah, why isn't this working? That's annoying. Huh. I mean, this is the file path that I told it to print right here. Seems like it's... I mean, it's not... I don't even know where this is. What if I wanted to print the program directory? Then will it work? I mean, it won't work, but like it'll tell me where the program directory is at least.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you look.
Okay, so where's that? Program data. Let me just do cache from time to time. Oh, that's that. Okay. Huh. I guess I'm kind of confused because like, I thought the game's files were stored here, but they're... I guess they're not. Okay, hold on. Well, let's just do this then.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat?
Okay. Let's just follow the stuff. Okay, so these are where the files are. And now again, what is supposed to happen is it's not supposed to do anything in the game. It's just supposed to start spam printing stuff. Okay, no. So I definitely just put that there. I just put that file there. We're not allowing file operation with file name. That. Is that the name of the file though? Seems like the name of the file to me. Not allowing file operation with file name. Oh wait, this is line 12. Let's see, let's do this. Go follow this path. Cache. Runtime. Windows 64. Well, there's the runner. I mean, we could put this here, but like, I guess I'm confused because we wanted to open up files. I don't know. It's kind of weird.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here.
Why is that not working? That should work. Not allowing file operation with this file name. Okay, so it's not that I can't find it, it's that it doesn't want to let it happen. Which I think technically it might be good for me, which I know sounds a little weird. But it means I don't have to like put stuff there. I don't know. I truly don't know why this would be the case. I don't know why it would just won't work. I don't know if it has to do with the directory that they're in or what. Like I don't know. I didn't even open that. I just want to open the location. Okay. Let's just copy this path. Let's just try this path. See if it works.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat?
Okay.
You don't look like you're...
So it's just not working no matter where. Oh, well maybe this has to... That just might have been me not typing in the path properly.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat?
No.
Anyways, you don't look...
That should have worked. I'll be honest, I did not think that getting the JSON to be read was going to be the problem this game, or this stream. Did not want to do that. Can I restore my window, please? Can I restore, please? Okay.
Hey, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like...
Just gonna go ahead and say it. I'm gonna be upset if that's the actual problem. Just putting it out there. If I just had to add that backslash, your boy's gonna be moderately fuming.
Hey, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you...
Well, I shouldn't be happy it's crashing, I guess, but... It seems this is a different issue than what I'm having. So let's see, what does this exactly say? Fails to open file. Failed. don't know why no one else is having the exact same error message. Yeah. I think we found something, kind of talking about why the file system works differently than you think. It's definitely confusing and very entertaining, I'm sure. So when the game is sandboxed, don't know what that means. Only the 2 target areas of file bar will save area available on each target platform. But each one that will work slightly differently. However, Game Maker is abstracted out the main essence, so we can do every time, make it easier to retarget. Okay, start. Let's look at how files work in Game Maker. So say you do a read. Gotta do buffer load. There's this. Don't know about that. wanted. Oh, I think I'm going to have to call it pretty soon. We'll come back to this a little later. This file system stuff might be a little better served by my partner. Yeah, we'll offload that to our partner here. Okay. kill the music. And before we go, we will do a quick little demo of what we've done for... I posted the highlight on YouTube, but really is for the dev team. So we have voiceovers, and the yapping now stops with the voiceover instead of with the text. And you can skip past voiceovers. So I'll show you.
Hi, this is some example dialogue. Isn't that neat? Anyways, you don't look like you're from around here. Where are you from? Oh, I'm from... Oh, wow, the capital, huh? Which trade district, huh? Lots of hustle and bustle, I guess.
So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, well, I want to thank everyone for hanging out. I know the stream's a little shorter than usual, but I honestly thought it was going to take more work to get the voiceover done. So the fact that we got bottlenecked on something else, not the biggest deal in the world. I'm probably going to work a little more on that off stream, as well as working on another project off stream. But I'll probably be streaming again tomorrow. Probably working on either this or working on the JSON builder. Probably be working a little more on that as well. But yeah, okay. You guys all have a great